Many animal videos on TikTok and YouTube have been going viral and getting millions and millions of views, and in this video we'll be showing you how you guys can create videos just like this. First, we need our video script, so go on ChatGPT and type any animal topic that you want for your video, and the topic we chose, signs your cat considers you as their mother. And the script was pretty short, but we're telling ChatGPT to explain each point in more detail. And here's our script for our video. And if you want your script to be longer, just tell ChatGPT to explain each point in further detail. Now go on Canva and type TikTok video and click on create blank. Now click on the plus purple button and click on videos. And we're going to type cat. And here you have so many videos, and you can choose any of the videos that you like, and Canva has both free and paid versions. We chose our video, now we're dragging it along the template, and we're going to keep it 3 seconds long. And now we're adding another page on Canva and adding another video clip. So basically we're doing the same thing that we did in our first video clip. We want our entire video to be 1 minute long, and each video clip will be 3 seconds long, so we need 12 pages, or 20 video clips. So when you finish and you want to download, click on the upper right corner, and click on download, then download. Now go on CapCut. We're then going to go on ChatGPT and copy the topic of our video. We're then going to go on CapCut, click on text, and then add text. And then we're going to paste the title of our video. Then click on text to speech and click on Joey. And you can choose anyone that you like. We're then going to copy our video script little by little because CapCut has a limit for characters. And we're going to type number 1 and then paste our script. Then click on text to speech and click on Joey. So you copy and paste the video script and then add text to speech and click on Joey. And you keep doing that until you finish your video. And now we're going to screen record our entire video that we created so we can create our auto captions. Click on audio, then extracted, and click on the screen recording of your video. Now delete the text-to-speech audio that we created in the beginning, and the text as well. Then click on text and then auto captions. And click on the captions that you like. We like the yellow and white. Choose the one that you like and click on start. Look over the captions and make sure each word has the correct spelling, and make sure everything looks good. And then when you finish, click on the button on the upper right corner to download. And here's how our final video looks like. And if you want to know how to create viral Reddit story videos for free for the TikTok Creativity Program Beta and make thousands of dollars each month, make sure to watch the video in the description box below.